Dad, what are you doing?
Today I'm going to do some fried rice, your favourite fried rice. Yes, I'm basically looking for the red pork that I bought from the shops the other day, but I'm not sure if we got it out of the fridge. We're also going to do, we're going to have some chicken. We've got leftover chicken from the other day. Green onion, a bit of carrot, a bit of bean shoots, some onions. Little bit of a trick is a bit of cabbage. Cabbage is actually quite nice in it. And inside, this is a rice left over from yesterday, so we've got some Chinese sausage. It's Jasmine rice and it's the Chinese sausage. But we need some eggs. Come on, let's see if the chicken's got any eggs. Come on, Chloe. Alright, let's go get some eggs now. Ollie, stay. Ollie. So, we'll have a look, show you, Chloe, what's been happening. The chooks have been getting a little bit clucky, getting real clucky. So have a look in here. That's where our
eggs are supposed to be. Wait, where are the eggs?
So it is.
Where are the eggs then?
Okay, follow me. So they've been getting really clucky, like showing in here. Film in here. No. Chloe.
They hid the eggs!
Been hiding the eggs, haven't they? Little buggy. Right, let's go into back in the kitchen. The little chickens, hey?
Yeah.
Hiding the eggs. I'll start chopping the veggies and stuff like that up. Alright, so we'll start that now. Then I'll show you once we get to... Once I'll start cutting it up. And then be right back. Alright, so I'll peel the onions. This is probably one of your favourite dishes, eh? Because it's not too flavoursome. So basically what I'm going to use in there will be a bit of the ABC, soy sauce, kikkoman, soy sauce, and a bit of this, bit of chicken stock powder, which gives us a bit of flavour. Okay, a bit of peas I'll be using, so I'll start getting my gear here. Peas. I hate it when people don't open bags properly. They should open them properly anyway. The way you do, you open it like that and pour things. And then when you tie it up, see you've got a bit of length here, so you can easily just tie it up and stick it back in the fridge. There's no drama. It's red pork, so with the red pork, just chop it roughly, and then just add that to all the other mixes. Done. Okay, and another little trick too before you do the fried rice, because you have to place the rice in, just break it up, wet your hands a little bit. Just sort of break the rice up so when you actually stick it into the fry pan, you don't have to try and break it up in the fry pan. Break up all the like clumps and things like that. Okay, so that's got the lump joy and stuff like that in it as well. Okay, I should light the wok up, gas on. Flame, so that's on, turn the lights on, exhaust on. I'm going to let that heat up a little bit, and once that's heated up a bit, it's a bit old this one, I'll put a bit of the old peanut oil in. Alright, so the eggs too, what we do when we do the fried rice, these are our eggs from outside, we use 3. We'll cook the eggs first, and what I do, I'll put a little bit of salt, a little bit of eggshell there. Put that out. Okay. And that's out. So eggs and a bit of salt. So the amount of salt that we use. Table salt, don't have to use anything fancy. Probably, this is a teaspoon. So we use probably 3/4 of a teaspoon. Okay. And then just add a bit of a whisk up. So a good way to check that is just a bit of water sometimes, a bit of water. I'll turn the heat down a bit now, not too hot. And then just a bit of the old peanut oil. Just right, a bit of water on my hand. Just give it a bit of a mix around like that on the side. And then just chuck the egg in places. It's like doing like an omelette, so just pull the egg in a bit. Pull it in a bit. See? Look at the colour of that. That's from free range eggs. That's beautiful. Alright, so that's what you want. Just break it a little bit. So stick the eggs back into the bowl. Get the other ingredients. Yeah, peanut oil has a high burn point, so some people use olive oil and stuff like that, but since it's an Asian dish and they use a lot of peanut oil, just do that. If you want to be healthy, use olive oil. Alright, so I'll be doing the onions. I'll start frying the onions. The heat's up again. So let it heat up. So I've got the onions, I've got the ham, I've got the carrots, cabbage and peas. Break the peas up a bit more. Give that a bit of a flick around. So what you're basically doing here, you're sort of sweating this. Sweating this down like that. And this is the leftover chicken that we had from last night. Okay, so that's the amount of chicken that I got. So we'll get the chicken, chuck it in, and give it a bit of a toss up. Toss it around a bit. Alright, so we'll let that go for a couple of minutes. And the big hand's on 1. Then soy sauce. So I've got proper measuring things. It's a tablespoon, yeah? So basically all the flavours and stuff is coming out of the cabbage. So it's almost got like a little bit of, say, fried rice stock. It's got its own essence of the cabbage, the carrot, the onion, the ham. So it's actually putting flavour into the rice when I add the rice. But just to top it off a little bit more, we're going to put chicken. Just a teaspoon. Chicken powder. I use this one because I like this one. About that much. So a heaped teaspoon. Give that a mix around. One of the things with fried rice, you can't dawdle, so you've got to have all your ingredients ready to go. Add the rice part now. So the amount of rice for this amount would have been 3 cups. 3 cups when it was raw. Okay. I'll say, like, if you didn't break the rice up prior to putting it in, there'll be about 20 times the amount of clumps that you see here. Can you see the clumps? Not so bad. Yeah. Move it around, see another clump. Well, time frame. It's 5 parts. The only thing what I'm going to add now is, look, Chloe, keep stirring. I'm going to add the egg. So just chop it up a little bit more. chuck the egg, the salted egg. And then the description, I'll add all the measurements and stuff like that. Bring that around. Look at that. They can smell this, I love it. Especially that Chinese sausage in there, heck of it. Yeah. Bean shoots. Spring onion. Look at that. And basically, voila, that's the fried rice. So look at the top bottle. There. Done deal.
So, do you like it?
Let's have a try of it. What the flavours are like. Mmm. Oh, that's really nice. You try it now.
Okay.
You try it.
Very good.
All right.
Mmm.
Mmm.
The
The bean
I love
cheek.
yeah. This, I really like this, and I love the pork.
So that's fried rice with the
I really like the
Chinese
pork.
barbecue red pork, Chinese sausage, egg, bit of peas, carrot, bean shoots, the spring onion. All right. Say goodbye, Molly. 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 Say goodbye.
Bye.
All right. So
Subscribe
if you want.
if you want, comment if you like, and like the video if you liked this video.
And the next one we're going to do some I'll dim sims. We'll do that next one, eh?
Okay.
Like dim sims. All right. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.